Hey guys, so Umidigi unveiled lots of devices at the AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong. The events took place from the 18th of April till the 21st. And before I continue, I'd like you guys to know that it's raining here, so you might hear raindrops in the background. And also, I'm using my phone's microphone to record this, so the audio quality might be very, let's just say average or poor. So please just bear with me. I want to quickly share this important info with you guys. So this is an image of the event, a picture of the event. As you can see, there are lots of Umidigi products for people to see that are showcased, that were unveiled. And yeah, one of the products that caught my attention is the Umidigi A15 Ultra. This device, if released, would be Umidigi's flagship, guys. And not just Umidigi's flagship, it's going to be one of the best flagship devices in the market. This is the specs of the device, like the top specs. Check this out, guys. The Umidigi A15 Ultra. Beautiful device. The camera setup is highly inspired by the iPhone 14 series. I know that, but it's still a really nice device. It is beautifully designed. It has flat frame. It has the display is a hole punch display, and of course the resolution will be Full HD Plus or even higher than that. But these are some of its top specs, guys. As you can see, the device will be equipped with a 200 MP camera. There are few smartphones that are equipped with 200 MP camera, that features 200 MP camera, guys. One of them is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Other devices with 200 MP camera includes the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra and the Xiaomi 12T Pro. And of course, there are some other devices with 200 MP camera, but only few devices, mostly flagships, like the latest flagships, are equipped with 200 MP camera. This device would also be powered by the Dimensity 9000. So the Dimensity 9000 is not a mid-range chipset, it's a flagship tier. It was designed by MediaTek to rival the 8th Gen 1 and the 8 Plus Gen 1. The Dimensity 9000 series consists of the 9000 and the 9000 Plus. So I think the 9000 was designed to compete with the 8 Gen 1, while the Plus was designed to rival the 8 Plus Gen 1. So it's a flagship processor, far superior than the Dimensity 900 or the 1080 or the 1000. It's far superior than those processors. So this phone is just amazing, guys. 200 MP camera, the Dimensity 9000, a 5000 mAh battery, and 67 watts fast charging. A 6.67 inch AMOLED display, 16 GB RAM with 512 GB internal storage, flagship trendy ultra narrow edge, multifunctional NFC plus infrared blaster, Wi-Fi 6, and so on. This device, if it's released, is going to be one of the best flagship devices of 2023. I don't know, nobody knows if this device is coming, but if it's truly released, then it's definitely a device that I would definitely want to talk about or even want to get. So the A15 Ultra, a very nice device, okay? I've shared my opinion. I want to hear your opinion, guys. I'd like to hear what you guys think about this device. So feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.